Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Media Master. Topic was digital internship. Digital internship allow you to set your own hours and be your own boss all from the comfort of your home. Is digital internship right of you? Digital internal digital technology have created counties new avenues from and small business. Whether you can inventor, a writer, or an artist, you can use the internet to reach a impressive a audience and get your next big idea off the ground. You can even use to like more people, and this is known as digital internship. Digital internship is one of the biggest type of in today's world. Just about every business has a website and lots of people manage a website even if they don't have a digital business. You can start a blog to talk about one of your hobbies, a website where you can share your finishing video for even a of your work. When it comes to starting a digital business, the possibility are endless. Before you start an online business, there are some things you need to know about digital internship and how to be a digital in succeeding in the digital business world. In, it's as simple as building a website. You need to have a digital business and understand how to navigate the internet and use its power to your full advantage. You can start a blog to talk about one of your hobbies, a website where you can share your finishing video, or even a of your work. When it comes to starting a digital business, the possibilities are endless. Before you start an online business, there are something you need to know about digital internship and how to a digital succeeding in the digital business world. It's as simple as building a website. You need to have a digital business strategy and understand how to navigate negative the internet and use its power to your full advantage. Before you start an online business, there are something you need to know about digital internship and how to be digital succeeding in the digital business world. It's as simple as building a website. You need to have a digital business strategy and understand how to navigate in the internet and use its power to your full advantage. Will help you learn about what you need to do start a digital business and become a digital. Keep reading to find out more about digital internship. Digital internship is that involve the internet and novel digital technologies. Entrepreneurs is where typically thought of as small business creators and owners working with small business and like restaurants and stores. This means you can only do what your resources allows, like restaurant and stores. This means you can do what your resources allow. To got a similar without basis. Thanks for watching my video.